Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious orange popsicles at home. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. First, gather about 4 to 6 fresh oranges, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. You will also need popsicle molds and sticks. A small squeeze of lemon juice can enhance the flavor, making your popsicles even more refreshing. Now, let's prepare the mixture. Start by squeezing fresh juice from your oranges. Aim for approximately 2 cups. Next, in a small saucepan, gently heat 1/2 cup of water and stir in 1/2 cup of sugar until it completely dissolves, creating a simple syrup. Allow this syrup to cool slightly. Finally, combine the fresh orange juice with the cooled sugar syrup and the optional splash of lemon juice. With your delicious orange mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into each popsicle mold, making sure to leave about 1/4 of an inch of space from the top. This allows for expansion during freezing. Once filled, insert your popsicle sticks firmly into the center of each mold. Then, transfer the filled molds to your freezer, ensuring they are level. The final step is the most rewarding: enjoying your homemade treats. Allow the popsicles to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until they are completely solid. When you are ready to enjoy one, simply run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for a few seconds. This helps to release the popsicle easily. Now, savor your perfectly refreshing orange popsicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.